If you are fighting aphids in your garden, you will certainly be interested in this effective and reliable method. One way to fight this persistent pest that I can recommend is a thick mass that is applied mainly to trees, but not only that, you can also smear other surfaces, such as bedboards or pest migration paths. Thanks to its consistency and sticky properties, the fight against aphids will be easy. Entomological glue is intended for physical control of flying and crawling insects in plant protection and sanitary hygiene. The glue is colorless, does not dry out over time, and remains effective even when exposed to weather conditions such as rain. Due to its universal use, the product is an ideal alternative to adhesive sheets, adhesive tapes, insecticidal tiles, flypapers, and signaling traps. It is worth noting that the yellow color of sticky boards is attractive to ladybugs or butterflies. The glue works especially well in places where the use of traditional insecticides would be dangerous or prohibited, such as vegetable gardens or fruit orchards. To use the glue correctly, apply it with a brush on non-absorbent materials like plastic boards, varnished paper, PVC tarpaulins. To make traps, you can use ready-made elements, like colorful cups or plastic plates. They should be placed in places where insects live, as pendants, or placed on a flat surface in a way that prevents the trap from accidentally sticking to the ground, people, or animals. It is worth noting that this glue does not only capture accidentally encountered insects, but also attracts them. This glue works by attracting insects and trapping them on a surface covered with a substance that prevents them from escaping. The colorless form of the glue makes it almost invisible on the applied surface. If you want to protect ornamental and fruit trees, it will work on caterpillars, ants, aphids, and weevils. It should be applied by applying an even strip about 10 centimeters wide, at a height of about 15 centimeters from the ground. Recommended application period is from March to October. The adhesive should be spread evenly over the entire surface of the bark, so as not to leave any gaps through which insects could enter. Its composition is completely natural, without chemically active substances, and is not absorbed by the bark, making it safe for plants. After applying the glue, the solvent contained in it evaporates, making the product completely non-toxic. The ingredients of this glue are N-hexane, hexane, 2-methylpentane. Hexane is an organic chemical compound from the alkane group. The main use of solvents containing N-hexane is the extraction of vegetable oils from crops such as soybeans. 2-methylpentane, isohexane, an organic chemical compound from the group of alkanes. One of the isomers of hexane. It has a methyl group attached to the second carbon atom in the chain. 2-methylpentane is used as a raw material, rubber solvent, and vegetable oil extraction solvent. It is also used as a solvent in adhesives. Moreover, it is used as an intermediate in organic synthesis and has applications in food, preservatives, cosmetics, pharmaceutical products, beverages, and flavor enhancers. On the back of the packaging we can see that you should be careful when using it. You should use protective clothing during application because it irritates the eyes, skin, and respiratory tract. This glue does not contain benzene, xylene, and toluene. This is one of the methods that will certainly help you fight pests.